Digitize your work order management process with FTMaintenance Select. FTMaintenance Select work order software allows you to easily create, manage, and track maintenance work orders from a single system. Generate work orders from service requests, on demand for unscheduled maintenance issues, or generate work orders automatically for planned maintenance work. With FTMaintenance Select, you can make fully detailed work orders that improve the accuracy and efficiency of maintenance activities, and track work order completion to hold your team accountable for completing maintenance work. FTMaintenance Select automatically builds a work order history log, providing you with a record of past maintenance work to assist in troubleshooting, cost tracking, and reporting. Make sure work orders don't fall through the cracks with FTMaintenance Select. Request your demo today.